Hi guys, Julian from Genesis of Schaumburg here. Today we're going to help you go over some tips to help you navigate through your Genesis. Quick tip for you guys is going to be the sunshades. The G90 focuses on a nice ride, so we have a lot of shades throughout the cabin. You have your rear window shades, that'll do the back windows. Okay, and then you also have your top shade. That's for the front, and then you have your separate button for the rear shade. So once again, that's your front shade and that's your rear shade. Window shades. And then you have your rear shade all the way in the back. Okay, so here it is all at once. You see right here, you have your fragrance cartridge, which again is in all prestige trim packages in the Genesis model. It's right here. Click on that and it'll come right down. You have 2 scents. There's a button here on the side on all 4 doors. It is going to be the massage button. And then you have your options on the screen: whole body, lumbar, pelvis, upper body, and your session length. Not only is comfort in the front seat, extends to the rear seat. Wireless charger in the rear. You also have a sanitizer for your phone back here. Yes, sanitizing your phone. My favorite is going to be the fully recline function in the back seat. I'll show you that. Ready to ride in chauffeur mode. Don't worry ladies, we got you covered too. Got something you need to store in a pinch? Genesis got that for you.